All right, working on my FXR. I'm putting drag pipes on it, and I've got these scratched up chrome pipes. So this is that's the before, and the one on top is the after. So I did a brushed finish. I'll head over to the bench and show you exactly how I did that. All right, I got my piece of pipe in the vise, and I'll show you what I use. I've got an abrasive belt. I used to do hand railings and a lot of stainless stuff, so I've acquired this, but this is pretty easy to come by. And I just made myself a wheel that I put in the end of the drill. So I'll set up the camera and I'll show you the difference here. All right. So that is brushed and that is not brushed. So it gets rid of a lot of the scratches and stuff. And it's kind of a grain finish. And you don't want to take too much off because then you get into you just want to kind of scuff the nickel. So. All right, you can tell the difference there. That's the beat up chrome, and then that gives it a nice brushed finish. So you take that belt, you turn it inside out, and you throw it on there. And then you get another cycle of life out of the beat up chrome. So it's a good way to a low buck using your chrome parts, and you can buff it up. I always like the grained look anyways, the brushed look. So okay, I'm going to finish this up and I'll show you what it looks like when it's finished.